What's up, guys? In this video I'm just going to give you some random assorted tips and tricks for running your campaigns that I would recommend that you do just to kind of improve the results, I guess you could say. Alright, so anytime you have new leads coming in, okay, always, like if you're like most insurance people, you probably get new leads every week, put them in the campaign. Okay, put them in the campaign. Just put them in. You know, you can wait until you call them and do an appointment or whatever, but why wouldn't you put them in the campaign? Okay, now if we take a look at my current campaign, it doesn't say how many emails I have, or maybe it does. Yeah, it doesn't. I think there's like 50 something in here. Okay, just think, all right, every single time I get a new lead, they're going to get 50 emails from me. They're going to get one email every single day for the next 50 days. That's kind of mind-boggling if you think about it, right? That's 50 additional chances for them to make a purchase from me or set an appointment or turn into a client. Okay, so like you guys really need to understand that this is a very valuable form of marketing that is free, essentially, aside from, you know, your $10 domain and your $30 a month MailChimp membership or whatever. Okay, just other assorted tips. You're going to want to make a logo. You can make one on legit.com or Fiverr or something. Just basically insert that logo. It's pretty easy. Always have a heading here. Always put an image here. Helps to break things up. And then just format your text. Okay, this is like a basic, very basic, like web-based editor for formatting text. This is what you click to add images. What else? Always have a link to set an appointment. Okay, always have your phone number here, and always have some sort of signature. Like I think I showed you my dad's, right? It's just like, oh, also helps if you have a picture of yourself. Let's log out of this and I'll show you my dad's one more time. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, right? You don't have to think like, oh, well, it's not, you know, it's ugly or whatever. That doesn't matter, okay? Like these people know that you're an insurance agent, and honestly, if it's ugly, it's probably going to help you because it's going to make them realize that you're actually like a real person and not some scammer or something like that. Okay, so people would rather buy from you, I think, if you're like a real person as opposed to if you're some faceless corporation. Okay, I could be wrong, maybe not, but that's just my opinion. Okay, so let's just take a look at my dad's one more time. Logo-ish kind of thing here. Nice little headshot. Click here to set an appointment. Phone number, email address. Okay, so you know, logo up here as well. Pretty straightforward stuff, guys. If you have any questions with this whole process, you know, feel free to reach out. stuart.odin@gmail.com. You can reach me anytime. Wish you the best of luck in your email marketing. I'm obviously, you know, for hire. If you want me to do this for you, I'd be happy to do that. I normally charge around $1,000 a month. However, this is a new service for me that I am trying to, you know, make more popular and get my name out there. So I am happy to do it for a discount for you if I can use you as a reference in the future to other insurance guys. Okay, so if you're interested, you can get my contact information. I'll put it in like one of the next sections, or I'm sure I'll have it plastered all over the description for this video or the, you know, the website where you're watching this or something. Get in touch with me, talk to me. I'm very approachable. You guys can phone, email. You can see I'm fairly chill, fairly laid back. Cool. So best of luck with your email marketing campaigns. If you want to do it on your own, hopefully I gave you enough information. Peace.